you see the track mop?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a track mop, and it's like designed by us only.
Yeah.
Yeah, because traditionally our rubber vacuum they use like the triangular mop pads. Yeah, we like improve it with our track mop, which. But the second generation, the Flow 2 this year, the most impressive thing is about it is this NARWAL autonomous system.
Autonomous system.
Autonomous system, that's right.
Okay.
Like it used to like recognize over 200 objects, but now it sees everything and know what is it.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because normally like the rubber vacuum, they're just avoid things.
Yes.
But now it know what is it and to decide what strategy to adapt accordingly.
Oh, okay, so it comes up like with a game plan. If it's like a socks, it recognizes, it detects a socks, and then it figure out how to clean around the socks or
and how far it got close to it.
Oh, okay. How close it can get to some
because socks it can be like a safe objects for rubber vacuum. But a pad poop it can be really dangerous.
Yes.
Because the rubber vacuum we go through around and
get dirty and smudge it all over the floor.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So and now keep a safe distance, not just for the obstacle avoidance, and also let me take you to the other side. Let's do it. Here.
All right, we have a whole system set up here for a living room. It mimics an entire living room in a common home.
Yeah,
and go ahead.
It's actually called VLM, our self-developed visual language model, Omni vision model.
Yeah.
So now, like, it's not just like avoid things, and also it decides what cleaning strategy it is. Like when it close to a pad, for example, like like it will like when it cleaning, it will see like which areas like the pad will like prefer to go to. Then it will learn from it, and next time when it cleans it, it will like stressing its suction power to get all the hair, long hair in like that. 'Cause it's just really smart.
So it has like a strategy when it sees like an object that it recognizes, it stores it as a memory and it has like reaction.
Yeah, that's right.
Awesome.
So, and another one is like when it goes to the baby pad or the crawling pad, it will also like lower its voice because he knows like there is a baby from near here, and it will lower its vacuum power to not distract the baby.
Okay, that's very very revolutionary because we do have rooms where I'm in a meeting, and the worst thing that can happen is you're in a Zoom meeting and the vacuum comes on and creates a hell of a noise, and then you have to explain to everyone my vacuum is. So can you like change that, override the settings? So let's say you want it to vacuum, you don't care about the noise level, you can manually override it?
Sure, definitely.
Customize it?
It's all by your choice.
Oh, okay, nice.
Okay, and also we also developed this valuable protection. So when you lost your earring or your bracelet or your rings on the floor, it will text it on the phone.
Wow.
And next time when you cannot find it, you can see it on your phone.
Wow, okay.
It will find it for you.
I lose my ring all the time, and that's a pretty cool feature that it will actually tag the lost device, valuable device, and be able to like communicate feedback back to you so you can identify the location that it is in. Really cool feature.
Yeah, all of this can only be done by NARWAL, this Omni visual language model, because it needs strong, powerful algorithm, and it needs the RGB to RGB camera in front of us, and the powerful AI chip. And the other models in the market before, you really have that mapping pads things.
That's the one I had, the T10.
I
had a T10. It was brutal. It was brutal. I couldn't use it anymore. The app was very clunky. It was rough. And then I stopped using like NARWAL, but I got like more information from my other YouTubers that said NARWAL's really stepped it up in the robot vacuum.
Now it's always doing well on mopping. You're familiar with these spinning mops. The spinning mops, it is enough for the daily use, but when it faces some heavy duty grime or the large area of coffee, it really falls short because it cannot self-cleanse. It easily become dirty. So we need to mop the rest of the floor with these dirty mops. So we are introducing this rolling track mop. Yeah, it's
rolling
like,
track mop. Okay.
Yeah, it's like a treadmill.
Yeah.
It's like a very wide chainsaw.
Yeah.
It's rolling
It's
in
more
high
flatter.
Oh yeah, it's rolling in high speed.
Oh, okay.
Applying fresh water.
Yeah.
To cleanse the mop in real time.
Oh.
So as it passes over, this roller just wipe away stubborn stays in one pass.
Nice. Very nice. Yeah.
You can see this video and
Yeah.
this showcase. You can see the company.
So we're doing a live demo here of the cleaning technology that Narwal is using.
Yes.
Way different from what I had.
We're applying fresh hot water this time.
Fresh hot water?
Yes.
And what? This is spinning pads.
It's a spinning pass.
Okay.
They can get dirty after just wiping up small area.
Okay.
So yeah.
We don't even have to tell you because you will see.
Yeah, I was, yeah. Oh, I see. So what does the hot water do? Does it like sterilize like the area?
Not really, but it's easy to deal with the oil.
Ah,
some
okay.
kind of-
So heavier, greasy objects.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Liquid spills. Perfect.
Yes, it is, yeah.
If you want to read more about the specs,
And then you can download.
So is this all in one? The health, the wallet, the voice?
This emergency